Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Ronak, and today I'm going to talk about drug addiction, a serious threat to our society. It is a chronic disease of our brain where it becomes completely dependent on drugs despite its harmful consequences. Now, let's talk about the most commonly used drugs: alcohol and tobacco. They are extremely addictive and harmful at the same time. Another kind of drug is cocaine and heroin. They're taken separately and also cause many harmful diseases in our body. The most taken as drugs are alcohol and tobacco, which we can see in our surrounding. Many people consider taking alcohol and tobacco for many reasons, and we're going to talk about it later. For now, let's talk about the causes of drug addiction. For example, peer pressure. Sometimes your friends mindful influence you to take drugs for once, and later you'll get addicted to it because it contains such substances which your brain wants more. Anyways, now stress. People with anxiety or trauma consider taking drugs because they think that it will help them escape from the situation or make them feel better, even though that they know it is extremely harmful for their health. Curiosity. Sometimes teenagers are extremely curious or want to know what is so special in drugs. So when they try to take it for once, they later become addicted. Family environment. Growing up in a family which is already indulged in drug addiction might cause a child to be drug addicted too because it is common in his family. Now let's talk about the effects of drug addiction. There are many effects of drug addiction, but I have tried to explain these three: physical, mental, and social. The physical problems, such as it might damage your organs and may cause fatal diseases. It can also ruin your mentality. It will give you more anxiety and more trauma. Though you may think that it will help you escape from it, but actually no, it will increase it for you. Now, for society, you see, when you are drug addicted, you don't know what to do or what you are doing. The only thing you want is more drugs, so might commit crimes or break relationships. Relationship between your parents or children, husband or wife might be broken because when you're drug addicted, you might cause serious crimes. Now, prevention. There are many key points of preventing drugs, and they can be really effective. The first one is education. You see, education is fundamental for every single aspect, including drug addiction. It will help you to learn about it more. You can learn about its fatal diseases and harmfulness. That's why you can stay away from it. Positive peer influence. Mixing up with friends who are not indulged in drug addiction, who are positive and friendly and cooperative, you might have to consider mixing up with them because they will influence you to stay healthy and stay away from drugs. Now, school and community programs. For example, campaigns or submitting posters, leaflets, etc. This can help people know about the harmfulness of drug addiction. It is technically raising awareness, public awareness of it. That's why when the more people who can, stop taking drugs, it will inspire others also to stop it. Anyways, now law enforcement, this is the most important point. You see, when you're drug addicted, no matter how much you know about it, most probably you won't be able to stop it because it contains such substances. It's naturally that addictive. That's why when you do strict law enforcement against it, when the police or the government will try to stop you from it, and they will also take necessary steps just so that the nation and the people can stay away from drug addiction. Anyway, so these were the things I wanted to tell about drug addiction. It is indeedly a serious threat to our society, our future, and the future generation. So in order to build up a drug-free and a safe, healthy nation, we must spread awareness against drug addiction. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.